Dude, why are you sighing so much?
Eating all this bland food every day with zero grease? I'm gonna get gallstones from boredom.
All the other organs are working their butts off while you've got it easy. You should be low-key grateful.
But my whole purpose is to break down grease for you. At this point, I don't even know what I'm good for. Might as well make a few more gallstones for fun.
Bro, stop messing around. We've got work.
Whoa, why so much greasy food all of a sudden? Time to show what I can do.
Doc, why does my mouth taste so bitter?
You've suddenly eaten too much oily food, which caused excess bile secretion and reflux. It'll go away in a few days.